Hello and welcome to another video from the Inspiration College. In this video, we are going to discuss what lead generation in marketing is. In today's highly competitive business world, generating leads has become a crucial part of any marketing strategy. In this video, we will cover everything you need to know about lead generation, including what it is, why it is important, and how it works. So let us look at what lead generation is. Lead generation is a process of identifying and attracting potential customers or clients to your business. It involves various strategies and tactics that businesses use to capture the interest of their target audience and turn them into potential leads. The ultimate goal of lead generation is to acquire contact information such as email addresses, phone numbers, or social media handles, which can be used to follow up and nurture the leads towards a potential sale. Why is lead generation important? Lead generation is important because it helps businesses to grow by expanding their customer base. It also helps businesses to build relationships with potential customers, which can lead to long-term loyalty and repeat business. Furthermore, lead generation helps businesses to identify their target audience and understand their needs, preferences, and behaviors. This information can be used to improve their products or services, create better marketing campaigns, and enhance the overall customer experience. So, how does lead generation work? Lead generation involves several steps that businesses use to attract and capture potential leads. Let me give you some examples of the most common strategies and tactics used in lead generation. One of them could be content marketing. Creating and sharing valuable content such as blog posts, videos, ebooks, and infographics to attract potential leads and drive traffic to your website. So we could also look at social media marketing. That's leveraging social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn to reach and engage with potential leads. We could also look at search engine optimization, that's SEO, optimizing your website and content for search engines to rank higher in search results and attract organic traffic. So what about pay advertising? We could also use pay advertising such as Google ads, Facebook ads, or LinkedIn ads to target specific audiences and drive traffic to your website. We also have email marketing, that's sending targeted and personalized emails to potential leads to nurture them towards a potential sale. We can also look at landing pages, that's creating dedicated landing pages on your website to capture contact information from potential leads in exchange for valuable content or offers. So all that we have discussed above, let us just summarize what we have discussed. So we are talking about lead generation, and we're saying that it is a critical component of any successful marketing strategy. It involves attracting potential customers or clients, capturing their contact information, and nurturing them towards a potential sale. By using various strategies and tactics, businesses can generate high quality leads, build relationships with potential customers, and ultimately grow their business. So guys, now that you have heard what I have said, if you look in the description of this video, you will find some important links to further resources that will provide you with more information on the importance of lead generation in marketing. As a matter of fact, I have a brand new ebook and it's entitled What is Lead Generation in Marketing? No, this ebook is not a PLR product, that's private label rights product, meaning that you don't have everybody having access to this book and then they go about and selling this book. I've created this book specifically for this topic, so I'm the only person who would have access to this book. And you know, it's a product that you really don't want to miss out on. This is a fresh 50-page ebook which will go in depth on lead generation. So I've just given you the basics. So getting this ebook would go into more details, and I'm now going to actually show you the ebook that I'm actually talking about, and I'm also going to show you some sample pages of this ebook to show you that you are getting a quality product. And if you are running a business and you want to understand how lead generation works and how you can start, going into lead generation and acquiring leads for your business, then this ebook is very important for you. So let us check it out. So guys, as you can see, this is just a sample of the ebook that I've just introduced to you, the ultimate guide. That's what is lead generation in marketing. And as you can see, the different pages, so you can see this is a well-designed ebook. I've spent the time to design this ebook, and it's filled with very important information. If you are running your business and you really want to know how to generate leads and what it's all about, then this is the ebook for you. This is not a private label rights product, meaning that you don't have other people offering this book. I'm the only person offering this ebook, so you can rest assured that you are getting an original document. Nobody else has it. So here you have the table of contents going down here, and introduction. As you can see, again, it's quite an attractive ebook, and you can see even from just reading the introduction, you can see that this ebook is packed with valuable information for you to digest. So this is just a sample copy of the ebook, and it's a 50-page ebook, so you're getting a lot of content. So just check the link in the description of this video. So when you click on that link, then it will take you to the ebook, which you can make purchase, and it's going at a reasonable, very low price, and then you'll be able to get a link to download this ebook right away. So again, let us continue with the video.